Create new recipe. Now we create a new recipe. First, click on the recipe settings page. This is stack configuration. Here is the new recipe. Delete recipe. Then, import the recipe. Export the recipe. This returns. Then choose or edit the recipe here. So let's build a new one now. And here you type in, the name of the recipe. The name of the recipe can be entered at will. Then after the new construction is completed, the name appears. After it appears, we can edit it. First, we should enter the size of pallet. Then there are some names in this list. We've already set it up. You can also create a new or choose by yourself. Then enter the Parma meat's length, weight, thickness of pallet that what we want. That's it. Then click the next step. In this step, we will build the length, width, and height of the new box. Create a new product first. Surely, you can name it what you want. Then enter the length of the box here. This is the length of the box. This is the width of box. And the height is in this side. After the input is completed, then go to the next step directly. This interface can set the stacking form and the order in which the boxes are placed. Click on Add to create a new configuration. In this column, you can enter the number of boxes to be placed on each layer. As demonstration, enter a number randomly. Press Edit button for more detail. In this section, we can move the box freely with our fingers. Here, you can press Add one box or reduce one box to add or reduce number of boxes by yourself. Then, we can create the stack shapes we need. Or, we can choose one of the preset templates we need. Sure, the template you chosen is also can be modified according our requirements. For example, then I want to align the bottom one. Here, click on Target Position, then can do the feather setting. This function is the operation of a single box. This is the rotates. This is for fine-tuning. Follow the corresponding arrows to fine-tune the direction. You can enter how much spacing to go, or click on the arrow to adjust. That's rotation button. Now, this section we can do the overall movements and adjustments by clicking on the corresponding arrow. In Offset All column, you can enter the range that each move represents. This section is an alignment, mirror image, whole rotation, and so on. Now let me show it. Please pay attention to the movement of my fingers on touch screen. First I choose this. Then choose this one again, and I'll align the box. Align it top. Then I will align it downward. Then this one is aligned with this one. Can be aligned below this. Or I want to align to left. This side is left aligned. Or I want to align to right. And here is a flip of an up and down mirror. Here's a left-right mirror flip. This is a whole rotation. This is go back to previous step. Well, this is a spacing of x, and this is the spacing of y, equal spacing. Then we can choose more boxes first. Suppose I choose these 3, I want a spacing in one direction of x. Then when I set 20 millimeters, then it has a spacing of 20 millimeters. Suppose I want set the spacing of y. Enter a 20 millimeters. The spacing of y will be is 20 millimeters. Well, there are still some functions that I want to sort with one click, and or in reverse order. Click sorting, it automatically sort it for me. If I reverse the order, it is his, and the order is reversed. Then its number 1 becomes to here. The 16 becomes to here. Also, we can switch the serial number. That is, we will choose number 12 first to exchange with this number 4. Choose number 4. We can see it exchanged. Then swap the 11 with the 5. Choose 11 first. Then exchange it with this number 5. We can see it exchanged. Then via simulation button, the stacking order of boxes can be seen through simulation. Suppose we start to put it from this corner. Set the X and Y values to positive 50 millimeters. Z is the height of the box plus 50 millimeters. As height of the box is 200 mm, so we enter 250. Then remember to tick here. If you don't tick, may press the box. Then click on Write All button. Now, this recipe is built. If the boxes are stacked in reverse order, the XY values should be set to negative numbers. Then click on Write All button. Hypothetically, the place order like this. The value of Y should be negative, and X value is positive. There is another possibility that it places from here to here. The value of X should be negative, and Y value is positive. Then also click on Write All button. The settings of the parameters mentioned above depend on the stacking order of the boxes. That's it. As usually, the stack sequence is like this. So the X value is positive 50. Then press Confirm. If we alternate A and C, then we can click on Add to create a new stack layer. Or copy the previous parameters of stack lay such as a layer to create new layer C. In this case, we just do the fine-tuning of copying parameters. After the mirror comes, we can set the XY value of C layer easily. And then new layer C is done. Click on Next to next page. This is to set how many layers I want to put. We can choose to put a layer first, then put layer C and put a layer and choose another C layer. Now we set the 4 layers. Then press Save button. After that, we've built it all up for this recipe. Here are some parameters that we just set. Then we click on Back to go back to our trial teaching position. This is a trial teaching position. Demonstration is done. For more detail, you can refer to our debugging manual.